Today we will begin construction on a bridge project that will improve our city, the region, and the United States in many, many ways.
To begin this morning on the largest bridge in Southern California.
The $1 billion project at the Port of Long Beach is expected to bring thousands of jobs to the area.
This is one of the first design-build projects in the state of California on an infrastructure project. So we were all a little bit apprehensive as to how the department would adapt to a new delivery method.
A lot of it had to be sorted out as the project developed. There wasn't another 50 bridges that were virtually identical. A lot of challenges of first impression, come to a common understanding about what needed to be built.
Well, I think it's a complicated issue because nobody has ever tried to use standard backfill material to backfill a 200-foot shaft. Usually you do.
Or there weren't guidelines for how things should go. And so the first couple of years were all about coming up with a way to do it.
And that's something that people do not realize how much effort, how much modeling, how much what if kind of questions were asked and then mitigated through design.
Working together to custom design a project that's unique to what that builder's sweet spot for construction is. So the builder in this case was intimately involved in a lot of the decisions. A lot of the construction techniques that would ultimately use were baked into the design because they didn't have to make it so lots of people could build it. They only had to make it so that the builder could build it.
For me, it's all about talking to as many people as possible that are involved in the process. It's also about getting in the field, getting your boots dirty, and talking to the foreman, talking to the laborer, talking to the carpenter, because they'll let you know where the challenges are, they'll let you know what's difficult for them, and they'll also let you know what's going really well.
So the contractor has provided project plans and specifications and even sometimes method statements for how they're going to do it.
And some of that early effort is starting to pay off because everything is lined up nicely and they just push the little domino and it just goes click, 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 click.